how to leave Life360 circle. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can leave Life360 circle, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to leave Life360 circle, open up the Life360 application here. Then from the very top, just make sure that this is the circle that you would like to leave. Then from after that, you have to just tap on the gear icon from the top left of the screen. Then just go to one option here that says circle management. So just tap on circle management. And as you tap on circle management, simply scroll down to the bottom and you'll find another option here that says leave circle. So tap on the leave circle button. Then it'll ask you for a confirmation. You can just tap on yes if you would like to leave the circle. This way you can leave a Life360 circle. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.